5.3, receipt of the final statement of intent documents from council-controlled organisations.
Okay, so I'll go through this in the absence of Sue Shaw, who's overseas. I don't know how you want to handle this. So this has been to council before. Some amendments were requested. I can go quickly through those if you want. It's whether or not you're comfortable with just what is set in what is pretty mechanical exercise, but I'm happy to go through those changes if you want.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Wood. Any questions of Mr. Wood, or is he happy just to take that as read, or changes made? Okay. There's no questions. All right. There's a recommendation here. The council receives the final 2007-18 statements of intent for Taupo Airport, Waikato Local Authority, Baplenty Local Authority, Destination Great Lake Taupo, and Local Government Funding Agency. I have a mover, please. Thank you, Councillor Harvey. Seconded by Councillor Williamson. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Those against? Carried.